everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful day. Today's episode is going to be on how to cut an off-shoulder dress with an elastic cover. So the sleeve is going to be an attached sleeve, of which the sleeve also is going to have an elastic cover. So let's go to the cutting section, then I'm going to show you the finishing. Welcome to the cutting section. I'm using these 2 yards of Ankara fabric to cut out the style. So now I'm going to fold this into 4. This is into 2 already, as you can see. So I'm folding it into 4 now. So now this is into 4, as you can see, into 2. Then this that makes it into 4. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take the measurement. For this particular style, we don't need much measurement. We only need the length of the dress and the wideness of the shoulder. That is the shoulder measurement. But here we are not going to use the exact shoulder measurement that we usually use, because at the shoulder area it has an elastic cover. So since it's an off shoulder, I'm going to take 5 inches up to the main measurement here. But before then, since this particular style at the wideness of the shoulder here is going to have an elastic cover, so I'm adding 1.5 inches to it to fold it in so that the elastic cover will pass through it. So this 5 minus 1.5 inches give us 3.5 inches. So by the moment I fold this like this, it's going to give me the length that I want. You can see it. So it's still the same thing. So I'm taking 3.5 inches up instead of 5 inches. So then the length here, I'm using 40 for the length, a 40 for the length, with the same allowance of 1 inch. So the next thing to do here is to measure the shoulder. So I'm starting from here. So I'm using 13 inches here. So 13 inches into 4 give us 52 inches. So from here now, I'm going to make a slant line to the length. It does not have armhole because the sleeve is going to be an attached sleeve, so it doesn't have armhole. This is the full length. So from here, I'm going to make a slant line. You can see it. So I'm making use of a slant line like this. So the next thing to do now is to cut it out. So after then, I'm going to cut it this way. So you can see it. This is the body. So at the moment I open it this way, it's going to be like this. Then there will be an elastic cover that is going to pass through this space like this. So I'm using this leftover to cut out the sleeve. So the sleeve here doesn't require much stress, just for you to fold this into two, and this is going to go for the both sleeve. So like this. So there will be an elastic over here too. So this is the length, it's 8.2 inches. So by the time you fold this into like this, so it's going to give us 6.5 inches. So we use up to 2 inches for the elastic allowance.
Thank you, DIZHA, for making this for me. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Welcome back. Here is the finished work so far. This is an off shoulder with an elastic rubber. You can see with an attached sleeve. So this is an attached sleeve. You can see this is look at how I attach the sleeve to the side. Yeah. So the sleeve also have an elastic rubber. So you can see it has a belt. If you like, you can wear it this way or use a belt with it. Like this. You can see how beautiful the dress is. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. Bye.